Welcome back viewers on G.Math Academy. In this video we are going to talk about the scale drawing. We are given this information: a field ABCD is given in which AB equal 45 meter, BC equal 30 meter and AD equal 20 meter, where field make an angle DAB equal 50 degree and an angle ABC 110 degree. Draw the field using the scale 1 centimeter to 10 meter. Whenever we find about the statement about the scale drawing, it means we need to draw the field, or even we already given the shape. But when we have the scale drawing, so it means we definitely either he give us the scale or we just supposed to put the scale by ourselves. In this question we are given the scale 1 centimeter to 10 meter. So if we not mention here 1 centi to 10 meter, you can make your own scale according to the information. Like if the information is very big, so rather than this it becomes 90, it becomes 60, or it becomes 40, then you can use a 1 centimeter ratio 10 meter. So in the ratio sign we can use 2, we can use the colon, and we can use the division sign. So before we draw the image of this field ABCD, because we are given all the information in meters, so we need to convert them into centimeters, because we need to draw the drawing on the paper, so we cannot draw the meters, so that's why we change into the centimeter, then we can draw it. So first of all, we use this ratio. We will draw meter centimeter. If you remember, we done map scaling in chapter number 1. So it's the same thing, and we are here, but we are there we only find the what is this map scale, or what is the original scale. So this is called the map scale, this is called the actual scale. But after that we need find the actual map scale, we draw the field. So 1 centi, here we are given 1 centi to 10 meter. So you can find all the lengths in centimeters. So 1 meter we are given 45 meter, and we need to find in centi. So cross multiply, so x equal 4.5 centimeter. When you do, it becomes 10 centimeter, it becomes 10 meter, and this becomes 45. So for example, if you multiply, I just give you the example, it is 10x equal 40 times 45 times 1 equal 45. So multiplication becomes a division here, so x equal 45 divided by 10, which give you 4.5. okay, so this is centimeter. So same way you can find BC. So if this is this x means this is AB. Okay, so you can find BC also. So we need to divide BC divided by 10, it becomes 3 centimeter, and AD divided by 10, it becomes 2 centimeter. So this is the information. And one more important thing, we are given the angle of the field 50 degree on A and 110 on B. So let's start with the drawing from AB. I'm just taking AB on the bottom side. So the length AB equal 4.5. So this is 0 till 4.5. Draw the line. This is AB. AB 4.5 centimeter. And we are given BC. BC, it means this side. So BC, because whenever we draw the diagram, it should be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm starting with A, B, C, and then D comes here. So we are given angle ABC. So we need to find the angle first. So angle is 110. Use the protractor to find the angle 110. So this is 110. So put the point here, then join the line. How much? 3 centimeter. So BC 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. Only 3 centimeter. This point help you to draw the line in this way, or you can say 3 centimeter. One, two, and three. So this is C point, which is 3 centimeter. Okay, now we are given the AD, we are given AD. So DAB. So DAB, it means we are given angle BA 50 degree. So draw the 50 degree here. Use the protractor. Again, this is 50. Okay, this is 50. So we need to draw only 2 centimeter because AD length is 2 centimeter. So AD 2 centimeter. You should have the protractor, ruler, pencil, and pencil should be the sharp. So 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So this is D. This is field D 2 centimeter. Now this is 110 degree, this angle, and this angle is 50 degree. So complete the field, join D to C, join D to C, you find the field, map of the field. So you will find the map of the field. Okay, so this is the information. So we are given a field in meters, so we can draw the map using the scale 1 to 10th meter. So you can find the scale of the field, the map of the scale field, sorry. Okay, in the next question, we are given the information. In this information, he said that a field has 4 sides as shown below. So we are given this field in which we are given different sides. That this is 99 meters, 80 meters, 75 meters, x. We need to find how long this side. We need to find this side in the meters. Okay, we need to find in meters. So a field has 4 sides. It means these are the sides. So here we are not given any scale. So you can make your own scale. Either you can say 10 1 centi to 10 meter, or you can say 1 centi to 20 meter. Let's suppose if I mention here 1 centi to again the same scale. If I use here 1 centi to, or if I say 1 centi to 20 meter, for example, we use another scale. Before in the previous question we use 1 to 10. Here we will use 1 centi to 20 meter. So first of all, find the length in centimeters, because this shape is not on the scale. We cannot plot 80 meter on the small paper. This one, it's need a very big paper. So this shape is not on the scale. Okay, now we just for example, if I use this length, which is 75 meter. So for example, if I say 75 meter, so we need to find in centimeters. So do cross multiply, so it becomes 20x equal 75. So x equal, for example, this is x, but we mention x here, so don't say x. This is just a question mark. Any except x, you can say any name. So we need to find the missing length. So 75 divided by 20. So it becomes 75 divided by 20, 3.75. So it means the first length, if you label it, it's okay. Otherwise, the first length, for example, if I label this one A, B, C, and D. So AB, this is AB equal, you can say this is AB equal 3.75 centimeter. And the same you can find the rest of also. So AD, AD, because we found here, so we divide all the information by 20. So 80 divided by 20, it becomes 80 divided by 20, it becomes 4. So AD is 4 centimeter. And DC equal 99 divided by 20. 99 divided by 20, it becomes 4.95, yani approximately 5, but I'm writing here 4.95 centimeter. Okay, now we need to find BC in meter. We need to find BC. Okay, it should be in meter. So first of all, we are given the angles. Draw the rest of the things, then after that we can go back to find the value of it. Okay, now for example, I'm starting with the scale of the same as we are given here. Okay, I'm starting with the length 3.75. 3.75. This is 1, 2, 3, 3.5, and 3.75. This is AB, 3.75 centimeter. So first find the angle. The angle 101. The first angle given 101. So this is 101. So this is 100. This is 101. 1 unit above that. So how long from B to C? From B to C we need to find out. Okay, so how long it is we need to find out. So we will draw this line at the end because we don't have the BC. Okay, we don't have BC. I just took the point, but we will draw the line at the end because we don't know where it touch on the point. So I'm just going for 93. So draw the 93 angle. This is 90, 1, 2, and this is 3. So 93. How long it would be? It said there from A to D is 4 centimeter. A to D is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is D, which is 4 centimeter. Okay, now we are given angle BC, DC equal 4.95. DC equal 4.95, but we have the angle 97. So I'm using this one. So I'm using and drawing the angle 97. 97. So this is 90. 97 here. Okay, so we are given 97 here. This is 95. 1, 2, 3. This is 97. So how long it would be? 4.95. 4.95 in approximately it is this is a 5. It's approximately down because this is a 4.9 and this is 95. Okay, now this is a 4.95 centimeter, but if you use a 10 centi it become 9.9. If you use 10 centi it become 9.9. Now at the angle, this is the angle what we done already. So draw this line because join them this is the point. If you take this point with this, so join them. Okay, so this is how much, this is AB and this is C. So just check how much it is, how many centimeters. It is 5 centimeter. If you look at here, it approximately 5 centimeter. So it means we need to find this. So how much it is in 20, we consider 1 centi equal 20. So if 1 centi equal 20 meter, so 5 centi equal 100 meter. So this information is equal 100 meter. As given, we find the x equal in meter. So this is 100 meter, because on the scale it is 5 centimeter. So on the original, as original, it is 100 meter. Hope you will get the answer about the scale drawing.